Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you have seen this booklet before. So today I'll be making a booklet. If you haven't seen it, you can go and watch now. So without any further ado, let us begin. Firstly, we need is papers. How many you want, you can take those many. Next is scale, pencil and a scissors. Now we are going to take a paper and you will be folding it into half. The same thing we are going to do for the other papers as well. Let us do them first. Now we'll take one paper and we'll open it. From the top we are going to mark 2 inches and from the bottom also 2 inches. Now as you can see, we'll be folding it in this way. See that the lines coincide with each other. And till the point where we marked, we are going to cut with the help of scissors. Then for the other papers also, we are going to mark 2 inches from the top as well as the bottom. This time only till the 2 inch where we marked, we are going to cut for the both sides. Now the same thing we are going to do for all the papers. It's time to assemble them. So the papers, we are going to place them like this. And now the only paper which is having a hole inside it, we are going to take that paper and all other papers we are going to insert inside it by rolling them all. Just watch carefully. Slowly and gently you will be opening the papers. See that you don't tear them. Now if there are any extra parts at the corners, you can cut it out. is ready, but not completely. It's time to decorate the front page. Now to make it more beautiful, we are going to write its heading in fox calligraphy. If you want to learn, you can go and watch. It's on the I button. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. Bye bye.